Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this bottom door molding on Lexus NX450 2022 onwards. Okay, here is the whole cover, what I already removed, and behind number 10 nuts. Oh, just quick take off. So this 2022 onwards NX, I take off the screw just behind that. It's very bad design. I just can't believe how bad is this design, and someone else is already work on this car and put back with double side taped, because should be all clips is broken, and yeah, all clips is broken, and doesn't buy the new one. Very nice job. Okay, so I just, yeah, all side is ringed, spray the wrong color, so that is why I need to respray the half side. Very nice body shop job. So just use a plastic, and let's see. It's very easy to broken, but I try to see in the bottom around here there is a very bad design here, what I can press in by flat screwdriver, I hope, and then just can open it, and I really didn't know how I take off. Just this one gently. Okay, so I try from other way. If I try to continue is inside, I reckon all the way I just broken. So now let's try pop out all clip from outside. Very important, you have to use a plastic one, and voila, easy. So this is the best way, I think. This is the old way. What I talk about is almost impossible to open. Only what you need to open just one of them, or just need a little gap, and then you can sliding out or something. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.